I'm literally all out of it. Look, see.
Yeah. So we are coming with a force. Yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on.
What's up, Tater Tots? It's your girl Tati back at another video. In this video, we are going to be working on my hair. So let's get into it. Now, if this is your first time watching me, what's up? I'm Tati. I am the auntie with the budget. What does that mean? Your girl likes to save a little coin, but she also spends a little coin. So if you need some auntie advice on where to save, spend, splurge, all of that on beauty, makeup, more, come on now, subscribe to my channel. Or if you're an auntie yourself, uncle yourself, and you got a little advice to share with the people, subscribe to the channel and join the family. Okay, so right now I have my hair in these plaits because my hair is twisted up. Okay, and then I took my twist and I plaited my twist, right? So now I'm going to wash my hair, and then I'm using the Joyco Moisture Recovery shampoo. They have this, and it is on sale right now, really highly discounted at Marshalls, TJ Maxx, stuff like that. So go buy this if y'all see this. I'm using the moisturizing one, the moisture recovery one, because my hair is a little bit dry right now. Anyways, I haven't been spraying it as much daily, so I'm using that. Typically I would go in with my cleansing shampoo from Pattern Beauty, but this is what I'm using now. Also because I need to be using up what I have. And then I'm going to put a moisture, so the Rose Water Hydrating Mask from TGIN. I'm putting that on my hair as well and leaving that in for not as long as they say on here. Not doing that. Now it's time to turn on the water. So right here, I'm just getting my hair all wet, as y'all can see, letting it run down my body. I am using hair. I am using lukewarm water, so I didn't do any hot water or anything, but I don't like cold water, okay? Especially when I'm trying to get my hair clean. So you see me right now, I'm focusing on the roots, really scrubbing those roots, because you know when you get braids, anybody know you get those little balls at the little root. That's because you really need to scrub and work on your scalp, getting any flakes. And then now you see me running it down too, because I do wash the ends of my hair. I like washing the ends of my hair, okay? And I'm just scrubbing dubbing away because this reminds me of my hairstylist, baby. When I first got my hair done, she was in that scalp. So you see me trying to get in that scalp. And now I'm just rinsing it out, running my hair through the water, rinsing it out. And if I didn't tell y'all, I have these plaits because I didn't want my hair to unravel because I have the twist in. So I just put in these plaits and got to washing, you guys. Now, once I rinsed out what I believe to be all of the shampoo, I decided to go in with conditioner on my hair. As y'all can see, I rub my hands together just a little bit, and I'm just putting it on all of the braids that I have. I'm going in for some extra, making sure that I get my scalp, getting moisture to those, those pieces of my scalp as well. Now, as y'all see, I'm just going back, rubbing my hair, and y'all see that one little twist came down. And so when that one braid came down, the other one came down, you feel me? And I'm just going in and just rubbing that conditioner through the hair. And now you're gonna see me braid that little twist right back, that braid right back up, right? And I was just running, making sure that all the conditioner got in, and I think rinsing it out so that all the conditioner could get out or whatever. And you know what? I feel like at this point, I just decided that, you know what? I'm gonna just let whatever happens, happens. As you can see, I'm just trying to rinse out the conditioner and I'm trying to get everything out. So then I just start taking down the twist because I want to make sure all that conditioner is out, like I said. And I just was kind of like, you know what? It is what it is. So that's what y'all are gonna see coming up. I'm like, you know what? YOLO, okay? Because I need the conditioner out. The back ones already was unraveling, and it's like, you know what? I'm gonna go with the flow. I'm not gonna fight my hair. I'm gonna just go with my hair, and I'd rather have all the conditioner out than worry about anything else. And so here you guys see how my hair looks. It's soaking wet, but there is no product or anything in it. And this is how it looks after it's all clean, all moisturized with the conditioner, and boom. All right, so now that we are out of the shower, we're gonna spray our hair. Let me part it so that after I part it, I can spray it. I'm using my Mazzani 25 Miracle Milk that I've been using, and I just like to spray it on each section whenever I'm done. So probably like, I took down my hair because I realized that I am going to be doing this part If you don't want to have to do this part, then I suggest that you don't take down your braids in the shower, because if you do take down your braids, your twists are more likely to unravel. Look, see any twists? Like, I already know. These twists, I already knew was gonna come unraveled, because my twists in the back, it come unraveled easily versus the rest of my hair. And these twists in the front, like the slim twist, not these, but like these, they come unraveled really easily. So I already knew that those would be ones that I would be having to fix up. Now, as I'm twisting, I'm going to be using my Camille Rose almond twisting gel, almond dry twisting butter or whatever. That's what I'm going to be using while I'm twisting. So I'm just going to be going by twisting and adding this little bit to my hair. Alright, you guys, I am all done with my hair. This is what it's looking like on the sides now that it is done. And this is what it's looking like on this side and the parts. If y'all can tell, probably the back is a little bit less coily and stuff than the front, only because the front, I actually ended up running out of this cream towards the back. I'm literally all out of it, so I need to buy some more. So I didn't have any curl cream or nothing for my hair in the back, so it's not as tightly coiled or defined or anything, but I do think it still looks really good. So this is the hair, you guys. If you like this video, go ahead, give a thumbs up. If you want to see more hair videos, let me know down below. Make sure you share this video so that we can get more people into this potato family. And last but not least, you know what you gotta do. You gotta subscribe to my channel so you can grow with your girl. So you could grow with your girl. So you could grow with your girl. Break it down.
To us, yeah. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on.